Hello. Today it is 2015 Ethiopian New Year, and I want to say Happy New Year to all my Ethiopian people. May this day bring you the joy, happiness, pleasure. May it be the happiest years of your life. And may God bring a long-lasting peace that never had seen before. May it be the prosperous years in Ethiopia and also throughout the world. Today it is 2015 Ethiopian New Year. እንኳን ለአዲሱ ዓመት ለ2015 ዓመት ምሕረት በሰላም አደረሳቸው። አዲሱ ዓመት የሰላም፣ የጤና፣ የደስታ፣ የፍቅር እንዲሆንላችሁ እመኛለሁ። መልካም አዲስ ዓመት። That is what I want to say. May God bless you. May God give you the happiness you deserve. May this year be different than all the years that we've been. May it bring a permanent peace in Ethiopia. May God reign in Ethiopia. May the blessing be up on Ethiopian people. May the Ethiopian people come back to a stable and a long-lasting peace they've been needs. May God bless all my Ethiopian people. May this day be the different and unique date in all the years and all the days that we've been to. May it bring a permanent and a prosperous years forever. Happy Ethiopian New Year 2015.